Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export Firefox bookmarks to another computer. Alright, let's begin. First, launch Firefox on your computer. Then click on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines located at the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Bookmarks. At the bottom of the Bookmarks menu, click on Manage Bookmarks. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut by pressing Shift+O on your keyboard. This will open the library window where you can manage all your bookmarks. Inside the library window, go to the top menu and click on Import and Backup. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Export Bookmarks to HTML. Next, choose the location where you want to save the HTML file. It's best to save it somewhere easily accessible, like your desktop. Name the file and click Save. You can then email it to the PC you want them to be imported. This HTML file contains all your bookmarks and can now be transferred to another computer. To import these bookmarks on the new device, open Firefox there. Go to Import and Backup again, and choose Import Bookmarks from HTML. Then select the saved file. So that's basically how you can export Firefox bookmarks to another computer. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.